is my proud privilege to welcome you all to this new type of program, that is Swamiji, a laser documentary by Sri Manik Sarkar, son of legendary musician Sri P.C. Sarkar, takes you on an incredible journey through the life of Swami Vivekananda using immense 3D visual effects and laser technology. The most of you know, on the occasion of 150th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, thousands of programs have been organized in India, all over India as well as abroad. You'll be happy to know that Ramakrishna Math, Ramakrishna Mission Mumbai has already organized more than 70 programs, and I think it will be 71 programs on the occasion of 150th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. Purpose of organizing so many programs like symposium, workshop, seminar, devotees convention, youth convention, parliament of religions, dance drama, tribal folk dance, and many other programs. They are the medium of spreading the message of Swami Vivekananda to the people at large. Today is a wonderful program. Already I have explained to you that Swamiji, a laser documentary. Sri Manik Sarkar has already performed this type of program all over India and abroad. I think number will be more than 20 or so. Now I'd like to invite Sri Manik Sarkar. But today morning, he met me. Just I told him, Mr. Sarkar, I had the good fortune of seeing or witnessing the magic of your legendary father, Sri P.C. Sarkar, and as well as the junior P.C. Sarkar. Then he said, Maharaj, today you will see my magic through laser show. I don't want to take much of your time. Now, I would like to hand over the mic to Sri Manik Sarkar.
Thank you. Bear with me. I just noticed one is not on. Let me turn it on. I'll come back and join you. Just a second. What happened? You're not talking at all. No, this is not going to do. I came all the way from the States to be here to entertain you. I need some kind of response. So when I say 1, 2, 3, I want to hear noise. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that pleases me immensely. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a wonderful show. I think you're going to enjoy this. But before I say anything, I wish to thank all of you for coming this evening to watch this show. I am immensely grateful to Ramakrishna Missions all over the world who have taken my show all over the world, literally. And now, of course, here in the city, Mumbai, and then we'll be going to Delhi and many other cities that we have already covered. I really wish to thank Ramakrishna Mission for giving me this opportunity to show a laser documentary on Swami Vivekananda. Now, soul's satisfaction is in service. And to serve human is to serve God. We learned that from Ramakrishna. We learned that from our dharma. And what I have found after coming to India from the States, everywhere I went, every speech that I heard from Ramakrishna Mission, the bottom line is to serve human is to serve God. And that was so pleasing. In fact, the show that we'll be witnessing this evening, through the life story of Swami Vivekananda, you'll see the same motto. Now, before I go further, I'll request all of you not to take any photograph, except for the official photographer who has been appointed by Ramakrishna Mission or us. Please, no photography, particularly video. You know, in this era of YouTube and Facebook and all the social networks, I'm really scared because I can't preserve my privacy. They're abused, they're tortured, which pinches me too much. So my humble request to all of you, please watch this show with your own eyes. See the magic of it. If you like it, go tell your friends. Let them come and watch it. That's how it should be. Anyway, that doesn't mean that you're not going to contact me through Facebook. Facebook, I think, is a wonderful thing if it is not abused. Because after seeing this program, I welcome all of you to go to the Facebook and write me your comments. Your comments are going to be a huge source of inspiration for doing my next programs, or even to take this around all over the world. The address is www.facebook.com/Manik Sorcar, MANICKSORCAR. Now, just a little bit about the show. Our show can be divided into two parts. The very first part is a prayer. It's a Sanskrit prayer to the Holy Trio. And this is sung by none other than Pandit Ajoy Chakraborty of Bengal. He's a famous singer, as you know. He did a marvelous job. It's just only 2 minutes, but touches the heart. And this will be shown with the help of laser. Followed by a little gap in getting prepared for the final act, which is 1 hour long laser documentary. In fact, I'm very proud to let you know the documentary that we'll be witnessing this evening happens to be world's longest and the greatest laser documentary has ever been done on a human being, which happens to be Swami Vivekananda. Our Swami Vivekananda. Correction. Whole world's Swami Vivekananda. I think I would like to mention this because this has to come out of my heart. Why did I do a documentary on Swami Vivekananda? Why not many other popular subjects? I think it's our duty, we have to do this. See, having lived in the USA, when I found out my children were growing, the US-born daughters growing, they immediately became Americans because they have a lot of friends who are Americans, obviously, and they're born and brought up there as Americans. But we never wanted that they forget their roots, the Indian culture, the background, which goes back to India. And how do I do that? This is a subject you cannot push or shove it down the throat. I understood the only way